morning from Trott HQ, Bushy. First one of the day, new client with his KTM 890 Duke. This is in for one of our 4 works packages. This is going to get everything thrown at it. Once it's all cleaned up and detailed, we're then going to cover it with signature 4K ceramic. We're going to airbrush it onto every nook and cranny, apply it by hand to these wheels once we get them all cleaned up. Keep this bike properly protected for the years ahead. Make it nice and easy to keep clean. Let's go. We've got some serious detailing to do on this. All that exhaust is going to get polished. Wheels are going to get cleaned. Get it looking like new. I think the gentleman's going on a trip tomorrow, so he wants it looking its finest. Anyways, enough of my jibber jabber. Let's get it washed. Then we'll get it in the studio and crack on with some detailing. Okay, KTM has been thoroughly washed, degreased, decontaminated. Now time to crack on with some detailing. We've got to polish up that exhaust, polish up these wheels. Going to do a bit of polishing on this bodywork. It's got a few little marks on it. Going to lube that chain up, and then we're going to apply the signature 4K ceramic. But let's get these wheels polished up, get a nice bit of depth back to that orange, and get this exhaust all minted up. Okay, the exhaust has now been fully minted up. I've polished these wheels, managed to get a nice bit of gloss back to them, polished up the end can. Now time to lay down some special sauce. We're going to go with the Distinction HD. That's a graphene infused ceramic coating. So I am going to airbrush it onto every nook and cranny of this lower end. I will apply it by hand to the bodywork. But let's get all these nooks and crannies all covered, including these wheels, calipers, all this motor, making sure to keep it properly protected for the years ahead. Okay, KTM 890 Duke is now complete. What a transformation on this beast. This is at one of our 4 works packages. Everything thrown at it, including a good dose of the Distinction HD ceramic. That is a graphene infused signature 4K. Absolutely knocking it out of the park. Every nook and cranny of this bike has been coated. We have airbrushed it onto all the motor, all your suspension linkages, calipers. The wheels have had 2 coats on. Look at that gloss on those. Polished up all the exhaust. All the bodywork has been applied by hand. Absolutely gleaming, ready for his trip wherever he's going to. All nice and shiny now. Should be nice and easy to keep clean in the future. Get yours booked in now. We're open 6 days a week. Satisfaction always guaranteed. 07966 249 96